This is grade 8, exercise 2D, big band number, and I'm just going to go through the left hand. So first of all, here's middle C, we're on low C, all lined up. So C to E and G, C sharp to G and B flat, D to F and C, then down by step, on to E flat, stretch to C and A, down to D, still on C and A, squish your 5 to G, and then B and F. Then we've got some chords here, they're all sevenths. The outside is going down chromatically. Then we go back to these patterns. C sharp to G and D, try and join that one if you can. E to G sharp and D, D at the bottom, A and C, G, D and F, and then here, C and E. Now you immediately jump up an octave to C and E, and then up again, then onto the double sharps, then up again. Now the last bit, I can't fit into this picture, it's the notes C, G, C. They're played very quickly, but it's actually 2 octaves lower than this. So really, really low. Okay, I'm going to go through that with the correct timing this time.